Around 70% of the customers want to earn rewards on every purchase, and more than 90% of the companies have reward systems. So are you too looking for a points and reward system for your WooCommerce store?
Hello everyone, this is Munam from Make Web Better and we are back with another exclusive demo video of points and rewards plugin premium features.
So in today's demo video, I will be explaining you the premium features of our points and rewards plugin, which includes points on first order, birthdays, social sharing on Instagram, exclude reward points on delivery, and much more. So let's jump to the demo video and see how quickly you can set up a sales driven point system on your WordPress website and gain huge customer engagement with amazing plugin features. So after installing the plugin, you have to move to your WordPress dashboard and you have to hover on WooCommerce and click on points and rewards. So as soon as you click on points and rewards, you will be redirected to the backend settings of points and rewards for WooCommerce. So in today's demo video, I will be explaining you what are the premium features included in points and rewards for WooCommerce and how these premium features can be beneficial for your WooCommerce store in terms of increasing customer engagement and increasing sales during the festive. So let's first click on general settings. So the very first thing the admin has to do, he has to click on this tick box to enable the functionality of WooCommerce points and rewards functionality on his WordPress website. So make sure to click on this tick box to make the functionality work. Next, the first premium feature we are going to see is enable to refer via referral coupon code. So as soon as the admin clicks on this tick box, so the functionality will be enabled to refer via referral coupon code. So the user will be able to refer via referral coupon code. So here the admin can also decide the amount for the referral coupon discount. Like I have decided 20 as a amount for the referral coupon discount, and a referral purchase coupon type. So here we can decide fixed or percentage. So admin or the WooCommerce merchant can decide the referral purchase coupon type on the basis of his business needs. So after doing the settings, make sure to click on save changes. And now let's move to shop page and see how these settings will reflect on the front end. So let's click to my account and let's click on points. And as you can see that the box is coming as your coupon referral code is here and your referral will be redeemed for 20 because we have decided the amount as 20 and we have enabled the functionality of referring via coupon referral code. So the customers or the users can refer coupon referral code with the help of social media platforms. So let's again go back to the backend settings. So next feature we are going to see is social sharing. So here in this we have added a new social sharing platform as Instagram. So as soon as the admin clicks on this tick box, so the social sharing platform Instagram will be available for the users to share the links. So Instagram community is taking a boost in terms of usage. So with this, the users or the customers can share referral loyalty links via Instagram through this. So with this, the festive season is around the corner and these features will definitely add value to your WooCommerce store and will help to increase sales and customer engagement. So let's click on save changes and let's go to the shop page and refresh this. So as soon as we have refreshed it, so as you can see that the button of Instagram is available here. So the customer or the users can copy the coupon referral code and share via these different social media platforms. So let's again go back to the backend settings and let's scroll down to see the next premium feature. So here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can enable this tick box to enable point restriction on sale items. So as soon as the admin or the WooCommerce merchant clicks on this, so the users or the customers will not be able to apply the point discount on sale items. So let's see how this feature works. So let's click on save changes and let's go to the shop page and let's click to shop and let's select any sale item like beanie and let's view cart. So as you can see that the notification or this is coming as points will not be applied on sale products. So because we have enabled the functionality to restrict the customers or the users to not to apply the discount on the sale product. So Beanie was a sale product, so the points will not be applied on sale product. So this is how the customer can be restricted to apply the points on sale items. So the admin can untick or tick this feature to make this functionality work. So let's again scroll down and see the next premium feature. So the next premium feature is enable first order point setting. So as soon as the admin clicks on this tick box, so with this the admin will be able to uh, award the points on the basis of first order purchase. Like suppose a customer or a user makes a first purchase, so he will be rewarded the points as decided by the admin. Like if I select 10, so whenever the user or the customer will make a first purchase, so the first order purchase points will be rewarded as 10. So this is how the admin can enable these settings according to his business needs and customer requirements. So these features we have added so that the customer loyalty can be increased, and also with this feature of first order point settings, the admin will be able to nurture their first time visitors into permanent customers. Next premium feature is points round off. So here the admin can decide the two options between two options as round up or round off. Suppose the admin or the WooCommerce merchant has selected the points rewarding points as in decimal, like 2.5, and the option selected as round up, so it will round up the points to 3, and if the option is selected as round down, so it will be round down. So this is how the admin can select this feature if he wants to the option of points round off. Next premium feature is enable birthday point settings. So as soon as the admin will click on this tick box, so we have added this feature to reward the customers on birthdays, and rewarding extra points on special occasions always help to increase or boost customer loyalty. So from here the admin can enable the functionality, and here the admin can decide the points that will be rewarded on birthdays. So let's select this and let's click on save changes. So let's again move to the shop page and let's click on my account and let's click on account details. So let's scroll down. So as you can see that the option of date of birth is coming here because we have enabled the functionality of rewarding the point on birthday. So as soon as the user or the customer will fill up this account details, and whenever the birthday comes, so the points will be rewarded as decided by the admin. So this is how the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can reward the customers or the users on birthdays. So let's again go back to the shop page. So this was all about the general settings. So let's see the next premium feature. So let's click on per currency points and coupon settings. So we are on the per currency points and coupon settings. So from here we have added a one premium feature to by which the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can exclude points on delivery and tax. So with this the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can prevent or stop the users or the customers to earn extra reward points on shipping and tax amount. So from here the admin can untick this feature by which it will restrict the customers from earning extra points on delivery fees and tax amount. So after doing this you have to click on save changes. So now let's move to next tab, that is points notification. So the next premium feature is email notification for referral code template. So let's scroll down. So from here the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can modify the email template according to his business needs. Like from here I can write like this. So I have written like you are being referred by, and I have used the shortcode as username. So from the username will be written here, and I have written your referral link is, and I have used the shortcode as a referral link. So here the referral link will be placed. So this is how the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can modify the email description. So after doing this you have to click on save changes. So now let's move to Gmail and see how this email template will look like whenever a user has uh, shared this email along with this email template to another user. So how this email template will reflect on the other user mail. So let's go to the Gmail. You can see that whenever one customer or a user will send an email to another user, so the modification that the admin has done or the email template that admin has decided on the same format, it will be sent. Like I have decided like you are being referred by, so here the username will reflect, and the referral link will be used here as we have used the shortcode. So this is how the email modification for referral code template can be done from the admin end. So let's again go back to the backend settings. So now let's move to next, that is API settings. So we have added a feature of API in order to upgrade the admin authority, which will help the admin to get all the necessary information, and with the help of API it will retrieve users total points and referral ties and manage user and see the point log data. So from here the admin can click on this tick box and click on generate secret key, and let's click on save changes. So this is how the admin or the WooCommerce merchant can enable the API settings. So this was all about the premium features of the points and rewards for WooCommerce plugin. So these premium features will definitely help your store to increase customer engagement and customer loyalty and boost the sales during the festives, and as well as they will help to nurture your leads and convert your one-time visitors into permanent customers. So if you want to watch a complete tutorial of the free and premium features of the plugin, we have mentioned the link of both free and premium version of the plugin, so you can watch it from the description content. So this was all about the demo video on points and rewards for WooCommerce plugin premium features. So if you have any queries regarding the plugin functionalities, so you can mention your queries in the comment section, and till the next video, stay connected with us. Thank you.